कोरोना दुयेंत गोंयांतल्या लोकांक जावचें न्ही म्हूण गोंय सरकारान गोंयकारांच्या भलायकेच्या नदरेन महाराष्ट्रांतल्यान येवपी सगळ्या प्रकारच्यो गाडयांचेर बंदी घातल्या. महाराष्ट्र आनी कर्नाटक राज्यांतल्यान येवपी प्रवाशांची खर चांचणी गोंयांतल्या नाक्यांचेर घेतले अशें भलायकी खात्याचो मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन पणजेंत पत्रकार परिशद घेवन जाहीर केला.
From yesterday we have started checking domestic passengers and we are strictly going to monitor it, check the history and accordingly act. However big a person is, he will have to go through it if he comes from a particular country, but I don't see these flights continuing for too long from the UAE, because if a flight's capacity is 250 or 200, there are hardly 35-40 passengers coming into Goa. So basically interstate transportation is also getting restricted. As far as Goa is concerned, we are on the process of issuing the order today, and where there will be limited movement of vehicles, especially no movement of vehicles of buses. Buses will be stopped immediately, interstate buses. Apart from that, we are also tweaking the thing, so there will be cars that go and come, families that go and come between Belgaum and Goa, they will be checked at the borders, and we will be using thermal guns there to check. So that arrangement secretary is in the process of doing. Order is yet to be issued. It should be issued any time today. Late last night I also cleared the file. Then we took Chief Minister's approval and issued 144 in both the districts. We have strictly taken measures. Today transportation between interstate transport and all those things will come to a standstill. No tracks, travelers, all will be allowed into the state of Goa. Tourist movement and all, anybody we feel is like a touristic passenger, we are giving authorities and the PSIs on duty there to send the vehicle back. We do not want these vehicles to come into Goa.
गोंयान जमावबंदी कलम जाहीर केल्ल्यान गोंयान धार्मीक कार्यावळी मनोवपाचेर बंदी आसतली अशें भलायकी खात्याचो मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन जाहीर केला.
Important factor is that 144 being in place, there is no question of any kind of religious function or religious festivities. No temple function, no church function, no nothing. Everywhere there cannot be anything more than 5 people is banned and stopped in the state of Goa with immediate effect. This is the decision that is taken in after the video conference of the Honorable Prime Minister. Whether it is any temple function or anything, it's appeal to people to strictly follow. District collectors will strictly have been directed to strictly impose section 144 in the state of Goa. According to me, we have at the moment we will be reviewing the situation on the 28th or 29th, and if required, based on what is the condition over the next 2 weeks and how the graph is going on in the country, suppose the cases from 50 to increase to 100 by another jump of 100, or every day you are getting new cases of 50, like the Prime Minister explained the US, how the graph was going. First it was X number, then Y number, then it came to 256, and from 250 straight away jumped to 1000. And the deaths also started accordingly increasing. So basically we are at that curve, and we need to take all precautions. All state chief ministers of the opinion that we need to have less amount of movement of people. Appeal to the people through the media is within Panjim or within the rural areas also travel only if it is required. If you are traveling public transport, that masks and other things are necessary to be used, but preferably people should not be moving around unnecessarily if it's not required. At the borders, we definitely do not want people coming from the neighboring states into the state of Goa. You can put it in very clear terms, just like how the other states also have issued orders. We do not want anyone to come for the time being from Maharashtra, Karnataka, neighboring areas, or anybody for that matter who has gone to a corona infected country and coming in. And we want people to be honest. We want people who are coming from the ships to be honest and come and tell the authorities that we came from this ship and please have us checked, so that we are able to save lives of the people and we don't allow the spread of this virus.
कोरोना दुयेंताचो विशय गोंयकारांक खातीरच न्ही जाल्यार जगाक भिरांत आशिल्ल्यान सरकार गरज पडल्यार खंयच्याय इस्पितळ वा रिकामी आशिल्ल्या इमारतीचो ताबो घेवपाची तरतूद भलायकी मंत्रालयान काडिल्ल्या आदेशान आसा. देखून लोकांच्या भलायकेच्या नदरेन गोंय सरकार आपणाक जाय थंय संसर्गरोधन केंद्र उबारपाक शकता. ताका कोणूच विरोध करपाक शकना, मंत्री सुद्दां, अशें मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन जाहीर केला.
There are some people who are trying to tell us where we should have the corona quarantine. It is nobody's jurisdiction. The collector will decide. Ultimately, we are taking care of Goan people, and nobody can tell us where we should have a quarantine facility, where we do not have a quarantine facility. Nobody should be interfering in these things. This is a decision the Secretary Health along with the collectors will take. Secretary Health will take a decision, district collectors will be directed, and accordingly we will take. Suppose we want in Victor Hospital, we can take any amount of beds we want there. It's not at their choice. This is a national issue and it's a health emergency in the country. I can take over the whole hospital if I want. I can take over a hotel if I want and make it a quarantine facility. There is no rule here. I can just do it. That is the power that is, we have empowered with this type of power. And we are not going to use it just like that. We are also seeing how the graph is going. Judiciously we have to use it. Power this is the situation.
But 12 ventilators will be enough, sir?
And we have also taken already the undertaking from all the private hospitals that as and when required, they will make available the facilities for us. I only want to mention to you the thing is that we have told GMC that at the entry points they must have a thermal scanner, they must use thermal guns to check people before they go into the hospital. People having patients, not more than one relative per patient will be allowed. So I am now, today morning only I have sent him a mail, issued a pass. If they don't have a pass, he can be out of the hospital. Because we need to take stringent measures. We do not want to take measures that are just half-hazard measures, but we need to take strict measures. OPD also, people we appeal through your media. Whatever urgent things are required only, please come to the hospital or just keep away from the hospital. Whatever routine things are there that can be postponed by a month. But whatever emergency things are there will be immediately tackled by all the hospitals. This is applicable to DHS and others. Yesterday we were told that one hospital refused to admit a suspect. I have just got from Dr. Rajendra Desai the name of the hospital, and I will be instructing Secretary Health today through the collector to issue a show cause notice. If this repeated by that hospital again, we will be forced to cancel the license of the hospital. We will not think twice before cancelling anybody's license. This is an epidemic and this is an emergency, health emergency in the state of Goa. I cannot take the name of the hospital. When the show cause is issued, you will come to know yourself which hospital it is. Nobody will be spared. Every hospital, we can requisition any number of beds. So I am just making you aware. Kenna prashna asta media so ki baba ami bed quarantine facilities kide kerle asa. आम्ही जसे रिक्वायरमेंट येतात तसे प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान आम्ही तितके एरिया आणि तितके बेड्स आणि तितके वॉर्ड्स आम्ही रिक्विजिशन करपाचो अधिकार ह्या ऍक्ट अंडर आसा. Nobody should be worried. My humble appeal to all of you is to popularize these apps, popularize the steps being taken by the government. Don't travel if it is not required. Stay within the state of Goa.